What is going on, Shib Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. Today we're going to talk about Shiba Inu and the overall cryptocurrency market and what to look forward to for next week, looking at September 13th through end of the week, through pretty much the 17th and the 18th. So again, we're going to do that. Hope you guys like the new camera. I just wanted to, make it bigger to show everyone that yes, the camera is now working. I don't think there's any audio delay anymore, so hopefully you guys are enjoying it. Again, right as it says down there at the bottom of the screen, I am not a financial advisor, nor do I make my videos for financial advice. Rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. And also, if you want to support the channel anyway, right where my hand is right now, there's a little YourPOP button, YP. If you want to subscribe to the channel and be a part of the Shib Army and the YourPOP movement, go ahead and click that subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you can get notified as soon as videos come about, and let's go ahead and get started. So, overall cryptocurrency market is still undergoing a little bit of a correction. Cardano, as we kind of suspected, had a sell-off as soon as smart contracts were announced. Still taking one of the biggest hits today, down about 6% on the day. Solana as well, kind of cooling off after it was on fire for quite some time. So again, looking to kind of see where everything is headed going into next week. Momentum is looking quite weak, but again, positive catalysts can just turn things around completely for us. So you know what I say, when they panic, we pounce. There's a lot of fear coming into the market as well. So if you guys pay attention to the greed and fear index on Twitter, you guys probably saw the Bitcoin greed and fear index is one of my favorite indicators to look at in terms of overall market sentiments. And so for Bitcoin right now, we're seeing a lot more fear in the market. Of course, with everything that happened with the SEC flipping on crypto assets, we saw the fear index kind of shift from almost 70 to 80 all the way down to 32. And again, this was as of September the 11th or the 12th today, about 11 hours ago. Now, what are we looking forward to for Shiba Inu? Overall, Shiba Inu has been also kind of consolidating in the downward trend after the amazing news that Coinbase Pro relisted Shiba Inu on their platform. And you guys saw that happen. Again, this was on September the 8th. And then leading up to the weekend, we know Coinbase is a publicly traded company. And with that being said, they usually operate on weekdays and not weekends. So what I'm anticipating, based off the RGT and XYO listings on September 8th, followed by the official Coinbase listing 2 days later for these two crypto assets, I am estimating that on Monday or Tuesday next week, we're going to see Shiba Inu listed on the official Coinbase platform where you and I as retail investors can start buying in. No need for the premium membership for Coinbase Pro, just strictly Coinbase. So again, for me, this is pretty good news. This is something that I'm really excited about because again, this should excite us all and we should anticipate to see some significant upside trend moving forward. The technical analysis are kind of speaking the other way. So if you guys see here, if you go on FX Street, one of my favorite areas to read about technical analysis, and again, I was looking over at the candle chart, just looking at the overall price action, but regardless, if we look over at the technicals, it says that Shiba Inu is on the verge of a 10% correction as SHIB lacks momentum. So it seems like, again, based off of just pure technical indicators, if you guys want to go ahead and click the video, it seems again as Shiba Inu is not really poised for liftoff unless, again, positive news catalysts come about that shift the technicals the other way. So what we need to see is good news, and hopefully next week, Coinbase decides to officially list Shiba Inu on their main platform and main brokerage, which is going to change, again, the momentum completely. But if that does not happen, we might see some more downward trend moving all the way down to that strong support line that we all know and love, which is 570 Satoshi units. So you guys can see, again, I talked about the triple bottom, right? So if you guys see here, right around, if we go back quite a bit ago, we were right around 550, 560 Satoshis. But if you look back in time, and I'm just looking at the candle chart here, and let me move myself down so you guys can see it really, really well. But as you guys can see, if you look at the candle chart, the 3 times that we touched that 570 Satoshis, it's happened multiple times. Once way back when, July 21st, then we saw it again right around, when was that? August 21st, July 21st, July 20th, and then August 6th, and even more recently on September 8th after the overall market corrected. So what are we anticipating moving into next week? Right now, the selling pressure is on. So for those of you who believe in this crypto asset, believe in the ecosystem, believe in the future of Shiba Inu, it might be a time to start considering increasing your position on this play. Again, only for those of you that truly have the diamond hand mentality and that are long on SHIB, because there's still some more implied volatility moving forward for this crypto asset. Also, in addition to everything there, I do want to also mention the links below for Webull. So if you guys do want to get some opportunities for some free money, I always talk about the links in the description right below. You can get 2 free stocks when you deposit 1 cent into your Webull brokerage account. So take advantage. And also, if you refer someone, you get $5 of free Shiba Inu tokens now as a part of the referral program. So it's kind of a way to get the Shiba army to increase the amount of people that are utilizing Webull's brokerage. And again, you don't have to worry about Ethereum gas fees on Webull. One other thing that should excite everybody. In addition, of course, there's that link for BlockFi, and you can get up to $250 worth of free Bitcoin when you sign up for BlockFi. So again, moving into next week, I believe, based off of all the different things that are, going to happen, whether it's the listing on Coinbase, hopefully getting some news from the developers who've been quiet for quite some time. I think, again, with all of these things coming together, we might see some significant upside moving into next week, the 13th through pretty much the 19th of September. So in my opinion, when they panic, we pounce. And don't put all your money in all at once. This is just, again, what I'm doing for sure. I'm not going to go all in just tomorrow or tonight. What I'm doing is dollar cost average again. You guys know DCA. That's been our motto. It's been our thing since the beginning. So to dollar cost average in, say you have $300 to your name. What you got to do is you got to identify what are good buying points. And you could look at the charts and identify, where could be a good buy point? So 672 Satoshi units might be a reasonable place to buy because we know there's some level of support right around there. So right now for SHIB, 674, it's approaching. So again, if you want to consider starting or increasing your position around now, it makes some sense. If it pulls back to 630 Satoshi units, 630, 620, another buying opportunity. So again, just based off that, you can identify and figure out, okay, 650 to 630, maybe a good place to buy. And then last but not least, you guys know our favorite entry point, the best of all, is if Shiba Inu pulls down to where it was right around this time here, right around this time at 564 Satoshis. If it pulls back down to here, you guys know what we're going to be doing. When they panic, we pounce. We're going to be pouncing left and right to ensure that we increase our position significantly moving forward. But do I anticipate pulling it all the way down there? Who knows? If the overall market pulls back, it's possible. But with Coinbase listing, it's going to be hard. We might see more buying pressure in the short term. And again, at that moment, it's going to be pretty hard to increase your position on SHIB. But as you guys can see, lots of red candles, lots of downward trend. But we'll see what happens. Again, lots of excitement. So everyone should be excited about what's going to happen next week. And I want to say thank you to everybody who's been tuning in. And of course, to those of you who subscribed and joined the army, I appreciate you guys so much. And that's all I had for you. That's all I had for you today. So with that being said, don't forget to subscribe, like the video so we can get it out to more people. And until next time, everybody, keep investing. Peace.